Here we have the first real-life hands-on video of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. We now have the first real-life hands-on video of the device, not a prototype, but the actual device. There are two videos available. In the first, we see a fully functional unit, confirming it's the real deal. Now let's dive into the second video. The Pixel 9 Pro XL design has seen some major updates. The glossy sides, which were prone to fingerprint smudges, have been replaced, and the new matte finish really stands out, offering a sleek and refined look. The camera design has also been reimagined on this model. In addition to the videos, we've got some new live hands-on photos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Twitter user Mystery Lupin has shared these images along with the device's specifications. Google is clearly struggling to keep the Pixel 9 series under wraps as leaks continue to flood out ahead of its official launch. The latest leak gives us a thorough look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL's specs, the company's highly anticipated flagship. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, paired with the Titan M2 security processor. It comes with 16 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The device features a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2992 x 1344 pixels, boasting an impressive 3000 nits of brightness. It runs on Android 14, with an update to Android 15 expected. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability, the phone also houses a sophisticated camera system, a 42-megapixel /2.2 selfie camera, a 50-megapixel /1.68 wide lens, a 48-megapixel /1.7 ultra-wide lens with a 123 degrees field of view, and a 48-megapixel /2.8 zoom lens with 5x optical zoom. The device is expected to be priced at $1,099. With the latest coming from leaker at Mystery Lupin on X, showcasing official-looking renders of the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Aligning with previous leaks, the renders reveal a flat design with a camera island that is no longer connected to the frame. All models feature centered punch-hole front cameras. The standard Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro have a single pill-shaped camera cutout on the back, while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has dual pill-shaped cutouts. The standard Pixel 9 offers a dual camera setup on the back, while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold appears to have a triple camera setup similar to the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel 9 is expected to feature a 6.3 Actua display, slightly larger than its predecessor's 6.2 display. The main camera and ultra-wide camera reportedly boast 50-megapixel and 48-megapixel sensors, respectively, with the ultra-wide being upgraded from 12-megapixel. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is shown in porcelain and obsidian colors. The renders display the device in its unfolded state, revealing an updated 8-inch OLED display. It is rumored to be just 5.1 millimeters thick when unfolded and 10.5 millimeters when folded. The NCC reports reveal new charging speeds for the Pixel 9 series. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is listed with a charging speed of 32.67 watt, suggesting it will support at least 35 watt charging, a significant improvement over the Pixel 8 Pro's 30 watt. Additionally, a new 45 watt Google-branded charging brick has been revealed. The reports also list the battery sizes for all four Pixel 9 models and detail the radio support for the series. All models are certified for Thread, while the base Pixel 9 lacks UWB, unlike the other variants. Here are the battery sizes for each model. Pixel 9 to 4, 270 mAh. Pixel 9 Pro, 4,955 mAh. Pixel 9 Pro XL, 5,100 mAh. Pixel 9 Pro Fold, 4,500 mAh. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.